Good morning, guys. It's a rainy morning, June morning here in Cebu, and yeah, the rainy season is here. I think there's a low pressure area going to summer, but um, somehow it has affected the weather in Cebu. But basically, it is June, and we expect the rainy season to come already. Hmm? So this is the early morning traffic here at F. Cabal Street. Not much cars, no classes as always. Gas prices 36.27 for auto gas and 44.13 for so yes, over here at Shell, we will check out the prices here at Shell. The diesel prices is what we care about. It's around 33.95 and 37.65 for the B-Power diesel, and 47 and 48 for the gasoline. So I think it's increased by around 1 peso, and the rain is quite strong. And there are people outside the street. So yes, that's the weather today. Raining hard, you can barely see the buildings, and yes, it's June, so finally the rains are here. So if you're planning to come out or go out today, bring an umbrella or a raincoat, and don't forget your masks, by the way. So yes, the rainy season is here, and hopefully this won't really lead to more cases of the virus. But yes, with rains comes, the season of fever, and also for dengue. So clean up your houses as well, and don't let stagnant water stay for long, because it will be the breeding ground for mosquitoes. So today we're passing through Jones or Osmania Boulevard. Yes, it's a rainy morning. It's a rainy Thursday morning here in Cebu, and it's Fuente Osmania Circle. And yes, those are the buses. The My Bus is back, serving the same routes, the same different SM. There's a Guadalupe Ayala SM beep already, and yes, yeah, it's a beautiful morning, but it's rainy morning. And look at the bikers, they brought their umbrella. Well, here at Robinson's, there's free rides still going to the free shuttle going to Robinson's there in Maximum. Yeah, they're bringing there's free ride from Robinson's Fuente to Robinson's Galleria. So over here is we're now in General Maximum Avenue. No traffic. And this is one of the busiest roads every morning, because especially during school days. Yes, but today GCQ day, traffic is light, free and easy. It's an easy drive going home, save for the rain, of course. So yes, bring your umbrellas, drink your vitamins, and don't you ever get colds, because sometimes people think that it might be a symptom of the virus. So yes, it's actually a cousin of the virus. The common cold is It's a type of coronavirus as well, but not the COVID 19 type. Yes. So basically, how are you guys doing? Yeah, it's rainy season already. So what are your preparations? Hindi naman kita na yung mga atop. Wala ba yung mga tulo? Yes. And of course, your surroundings yun. Bitaw limpyuhin yun because you don't want, to mudaghan ang mga mosquitoes. Especially around the time na lisod kayo magpa-confine because there are also a lot of cases in the hospital, so you might be mistaken pag yun na nakay COVID, so lisod na. So ano ni Ron, we're approaching the Fuda area, and then they have the Iglesia ni Cristo, and then yes, basically no cars, I mean very few cars out today, mainly because of the rain as well. But yeah, they're fun. The ones going to the city na asad. So shell here is around 2 pesos cheaper dito sa Mua, or about 1 peso cheaper dahil. So now we're here in Cebu Business Park. It's a beautiful morning. It will have been a beautiful June morning, but yes, it's the virus still there. We're still under GCQ, and we're still advised to wear masks all the time. And while the malls are open, it is not advisable to really just go out because for nothing, for leisure. You can't go malling. There's no aircon at the malls, and there's so many rules. Also, you have to wear a mask. And if you're below 21 or above 59 years old, you can't go inside the malls. So even bikers have to find ways to really cover their head, but some are just brave not to have any coverings. Probably they'll just, they'll just take this as a shower. So yeah, like him. But some have fun. They're wearing hood, so which offers some kind of protection. And yes, even the salesmen who are selling flags are awake early in the morning. So there you have it, guys. That's our update for the day 11 morning drive, GCQ Drive here in Cebu City. And thank you so much for watching. Keep on supporting our videos, and of course, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and of course pray, because yes, I guess prayer would be so powerful in these times. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you for all the support, and see you tomorrow. See you in our next GCQ drives. Bye, guys, and have a great day.